morning, class. Today we are going to be solving a word problem, and I want you to make sure that you are also solving this using your own four-square model. So if you need to, pause the video and you can go and grab a sheet of paper and a pencil and you can work along with me. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. In this word problem, we have two characters. We have Bo and Faith. Bo had some candies. Faith gave him 61 more. Now Bo has 89 candies. How many candies did Bo have at first? Now this is a very interesting problem. When we have this, we can tell that the start of our word problem is going to be unknown. We know that because it has the word some. That is in place of the number of candies that Bo had. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off writing my equation based on the beginning, middle, and the end of this word problem. So we know that Bo starts off with some, and Faith is giving him 61 more candies in the middle. Now that typically means that we are going to be adding for our equation. We have some, we add 61 more. Now, at the end, it says Bo has 89 candies. But this word problem is asking us to solve how many candies Bo had at first or at the start. So we might have to use our knowledge of fact families to turn this word problem equation around into a subtraction problem to help us solve it a little bit easier. So I would like you to pause the video and think, what subtraction problem can we create with the numbers and the unknown spaces that we have here? So if we're wrapping this around our brains and we're thinking about how we can turn this into a subtraction problem, we know we have to start with the highest number. 89 will be our beginning number, and we will be taking away 61. When we do that, we'll be able to find how many Bo had at the beginning, because 61 plus whatever the answer is here will equal 89. Now take a moment, pause the video, and do one of the strategies I've taught you to solve this subtraction problem. You can choose to do either open number line, base 10 block drawings, or expanded form. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to do a base 10 block drawing example of solving 89 minus 61. We know when we're drawing a subtraction problem, we only have to draw the largest of the two numbers in the subtraction equation. That's because we're going to be taking away from that number. If we drew both of them, we would get confused. We only have to draw both of them when we're adding or combining all of the numbers. So I will draw 8 tens and 9 ones. Then I take a look at the number I'm subtracting or taking away, and that number is 61. I'm going to circle 1 1 and take it away, and I will circle 6 tens and take it away. That leaves me with 2 tens and 8 ones. If we were to turn this into a standard number, it would look like this. 20 plus 8, which equals 28. Now, whenever we're writing a final answer for a word problem, we cannot just include the number answer. We also have to include the label, which is candies in this word problem. So when you're writing your answer, it should look like this: 28 candies. I hope you guys were able to solve this, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.